In the fundamental blueprint of life, the rules seem simple. Plants create energy, animals consume it. One harnesses the power of the sun through photosynthesis, the other must hunt or forage to survive. This is a line that has defined entire kingdoms of life for eons. But in the shallow, sunlit salt marshes of North America's east coast, there lives a creature that has erased that line. A creature that commits the ultimate biological heist to become a true plant-animal hybrid. This is the Eastern Emerald Elysia, a solar-powered sea slug that eats a single meal as a juvenile, and then, for the rest of its life, can live on nothing but light. Its story begins with a crime. To acquire its superpower, the young, translucent slug must find a specific type of algae. Using a specialized needle-like tooth, it punctures the algal cells and, like a straw, sucks out their vibrant green contents. But this is not simple digestion. This is an act of meticulous, selective theft known as kleptoplasty. The slug's digestive system is a master thief. It breaks down and absorbs the nutrients from the algae, but it identifies and preserves one component with surgical precision: the chloroplasts. These are the microscopic green engines within plant cells, the actual sites of photosynthesis. The slug carefully isolates these tiny solar reactors, sparing them from destruction. What happens next is a transformation that borders on science fiction. The slug actively incorporates these stolen chloroplasts into the cells lining its own complex, branching digestive tract. As its body fills with tens of thousands of these hijacked solar engines, the slug itself turns a brilliant, leaf-like green. Its flat, wide body, with its intricate network of veins, even comes to resemble the structure of a leaf, a perfect form for maximizing its exposure to sunlight. It has ceased to be merely an animal. It has become a living, breathing solar panel. Spreading itself out in the sunlit water, it no longer needs to hunt for food. The chloroplasts, now prisoners within its own cells, continue to work, capturing photons of light and converting carbon dioxide into sugars, providing a steady stream of energy directly to their new host. This energy independence is profound. After this single, crucial meal of algae, the Eastern Emerald Elysia can survive for up to 9 months with no food whatsoever. It is powered entirely by its stolen, internal solar grid. This is one of the most extreme animal superpowers on the planet, a feat of supernature that grants it a life of photosynthetic leisure. It has achieved the dream of every living organism, a free, almost limitless source of energy. It has effectively stolen the fire of the plants and made it its own. But this incredible ability presents a deep and fascinating scientific puzzle. Chloroplasts are not independent. They are fragile organelles that are constantly being damaged by the very process of photosynthesis. To function, they require constant repair, a maintenance program run by a suite of genes found in the original algae's cell nucleus. But the slug doesn't steal the nucleus. It only steals the chloroplasts. So how does it keep these delicate machines running for months on end, long after they should have broken down? This is the central mystery of this weird science marvel. The leading hypothesis is as mind-blowing as the ability itself. It's believed that somewhere in its evolutionary past, the sea slug incorporated some of the algae's genes directly into its own DNA. It may have committed a second genetic heist, stealing the maintenance blueprints needed to support its stolen solar engines. This process, known as horizontal gene transfer, would make the Elysia an even more profound chimera, an animal that is, on a genetic level, part plant. It is a biological enigma that continues to challenge our understanding of evolution, genetics, and the very definition of a species. To continue exploring the marvels of the natural world, subscribe to Animal Insight 360 and join us on the next journey.